will have a meet.
177.4, track main 1. B27, no defect. Repeat,
Yeah,
no
so that's
defect.
it for different
Total
times.
axle 2-4, detector out. Track 64, no defects, Sky Park, track 1 east, over.
We're missing Amtrak. Amtrak's going to run to the side.
That counts as a meet.
Zach, you might want to use your infinity feature because you're out of focus.
We were not on the wrong side of the meet. Ah, cool.
See, that would have been pretty cool to catch from Riverside Park. Why he's going so slow though?
I don't know.
That's a good question. I was noticing it too.
Probably 1,000. You can see the train though when you zoom. You need to use digital zoom.
That's we clear out of 177, track to west, CSX 7747 is out.
That's true because if you zoom in, then it forces your aperture to close a little bit. Like I couldn't get a picture of this
We
train.
better go to the station pretty soon.
Yeah.